Do you want to take your family to Europe and not pay thousands of dollars? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I took my family to London and Paris using the Flying Blue program. Flying Blue is the joint loyalty program between Air France and KLM. The one main reason why I think this is an awesome partner to transfer to is because it can transfer from 4 of these major credit card programs. This means that you can accrue points faster from 4 different programs and combine them together to get you to Europe. Part 1, getting started. Step 1, you want to go to flyingblue.us website, go to the top right, click on the join now, and create a new account using your personal information. After registering, go to your profile and see what your new Flying Blue number ID is. Part 2, finding award space availability to Europe. After you've created or signed into your account, go to spend on the top left, go down to discover promos, which is monthly deals that Flying Blue has. Click on one for Air France, go to the origin and destination and enter date. Now click search. You will see that it is a weekly view on possible award space availability. Pro tip, if you have more flexibility, then I recommend using the monthly calendar. Remember to not select a date, and that will bring up this calendar right here. Part 3, reserving your ticket. After you've used the monthly calendar to find the award space that you would like to book, you can actually call this number on the screen and you can speak to a live agent and ask them to put a hold on this specific reservation. Why call an agent? Why not just book online? By speaking with an agent directly, they can see on their system to make sure that the award space that you're seeing online is available and not a phantom one. One mistake that my family made while booking Paris and London was actually transferring our points and trying to book online directly. Unfortunately, some of the low fares are not actual real fares, and I had to change my dates. Number 2, by putting a hold on the reservation, this gives you time in case you need to transfer points from multiple credit card programs into your Flying Blue account. Part 4, transferring your points and confirming the booking. In this example, I'll be using American Express. Go to American Express website, log into your account. Go to transfer points, scroll down all the way and find Flying Blue as your program. If this is your first time, make sure to connect your account with your new Flying Blue number and your name directly to American Express website. Enter the points that you want to transfer. You have to transfer a minimum of 1,000 points. After you've transferred all the points that you need for your flights to Europe, go call the number again, speak to a representative and provide them the reservation number that they provided you when you held the reservation and ask them to please complete the booking. If you're interested on how to find more award flights for your family, check out this next video.